Okay, this is the assembly of Wide Eyez. You've got your helmet. First thing you want to do is take your Wide Eyez and actually you want to fit it so that you allow room for the nose piece. And it should properly adjust just like so. So I put one on there already just so you know that it has to go on the plastic portion. It won't stick on the foam, so you need to put the dual lock there. And what I've done here is I have measured approximately where that's going to go, and that's going to go right there. So I've made a point. I'm going to take my pen and mark where I want to put my dual lock, second piece. Grab my piece, peel it off, and put it right there on the plastic piece. So now you've got the two pieces set right there. And these are going to come assembled with the other dual lock on the back of the pivot bracket. And you're going to fit that directly on there. And it's going to snap on there. Make sure you put it on both sides. Doesn't matter because they're the same on both sides. But you're just going to match it with the other dual lock piece. And it's going to snap on there like it belongs there. Okay. And then you're going to match up your shield to where the pivot bracket goes. Put your washer down and put a screw in it. This will secure it to the side of the helmet, and then do the other side. Put the washer, then the other screw, and it could take just a little finagling, but there you go. You've got now two positions, one down by your nose and the other one up high. So it should look just like so when you're all done. Your nose extrusion piece should go on. You can put it on before or after. What you want to do is widen the gap, put your fingers in it, and start it right by the top of the nose piece. And you just fit it right through the groove onto the top. Secure that and maneuver it so that it's the same on both sides. Centered. A little false start there. And there you have it. Wide Eyez.
Side view.